Imagine divers pulling up a rusted lump of bronze from the bottom of the Aegean Sea, only to discover gears, precision engineering, and mathematics far beyond anything ancient history was supposed to have. This wasn't a statue, it wasn't a weapon. It was a machine so advanced scientists today call it the world's first computer, built over 2,000 years ago. This is the mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism, and why it shouldn't exist. In 1901, sponge divers exploring a Roman shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera found something strange. Among the treasure, statues, coins, jewelry, lay a corroded box filled with gears. At first, archaeologists ignored it. It looked like debris. But when the fragments were cleaned, they revealed something impossible. A complex system of interlocking gears, crafted with precision that wouldn't appear again until medieval clockmakers, 400 years later. The mechanism contained over 30 bronze gears, each cut with microscopic accuracy. Some teeth were less than a millimeter wide. This level of engineering shouldn't have existed in ancient Greece. Nothing else from that era even comes close. It was as if someone had dropped a piece of Renaissance technology into the ancient world and left no other trace of it behind. Modern scans revealed the truth. The Antikythera mechanism was a cosmic calculator. It predicted solar eclipses, lunar eclipses, planetary movements, the phases of the moon, even the timing of ancient Olympic games, all using gears, ratios, and mathematics so advanced that scientists still debate how the Greeks achieved it. One feature shocked researchers the most. The mechanism tracked the moon's orbit using a mathematical model that wasn't officially discovered until 150 years later. How did ancient engineers know this? Who taught them? And why does no other device like this survive? Some historians believe the device was created by a follower of Archimedes, the legendary Greek mathematician. Others think it was part of a lost tradition of ancient engineering that vanished without a trace. And then there are the fringe theories, that the Greeks had access to knowledge far older than their civilization, or that this device hints at a forgotten chapter of human history. Today, scientists have rebuilt the mechanism using 3D scans and X-ray imaging. The results are stunning. The device works flawlessly. Turn a single crank and the entire cosmos moves in perfect harmony. It's not just a machine, it's a masterpiece of ancient genius. But the biggest question remains, if the ancient Greeks could build a computer, what else were they capable of that we haven't found yet? The Antikythera mechanism stands alone, a technological orphan from a forgotten world, a reminder that history is full of secrets, and some of them are still waiting to be uncovered.